Meet the Mini PC Retro Gamebox G3 Pro, a compact dual-system gaming machine packed with over 99,000 classic games from multiple generations of consoles, from PS2 and PS3 classics to Wii, Wii U, GameCube, Sega Saturn, and more. This little powerhouse is built for gamers who want everything in one place. Intro music. At first glance, the G3 Pro looks like a simple mini PC. But inside, it's loaded with serious retro gaming power. Depending on the version, you get either 8GB or 16GB of RAM, plus massive storage options ranging from 2TB all the way up to 4TB. That means thousands upon thousands of preloaded titles ready to play right out of the box. No complicated setup. No hunting for ROMs. Just plug it into your TV or monitor, connect your controllers, and start gaming. One of the coolest features is the dual system interface. You can switch between operating systems for different gaming experiences and better emulator compatibility. This helps the G3 Pro handle everything from retro arcade games to more demanding 6th generation and even some 7th generation console titles. And yes, it supports an incredible list of platforms. We're talking PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, Nintendo Wii, Wii U, GameCube, Sega Saturn, plus classic arcade systems, NES, SNES, Dreamcast, PSP, and many more. For retro gaming fans, this is basically a digital time machine. Now let's talk performance. The G3 Pro is designed to deliver smooth gameplay with enhanced graphics support, stable frame rates, and fast loading speeds compared to older retro consoles. Many games can even run at higher resolutions for a cleaner, sharper look on modern displays. Pair it with wireless controllers, and your living room instantly becomes a retro arcade. Another huge advantage is convenience. Instead of collecting multiple old consoles, tangled cables, memory cards, and expensive physical games, everything is stored inside one compact machine. That makes it perfect for casual gamers, collectors, families, or anyone who wants instant access to classic gaming nostalgia. Of course, performance can vary depending on the specific game and emulator settings, especially with heavier PS3 or Wii U titles. But for most retro systems, the experience is surprisingly solid, and honestly, the amount of content included here is massive. Whether you grew up playing fighting games, racing games, platformers, RPGs, or arcade shooters, there's something for everyone. Imagine jumping from Tekken to Mario Kart, to Zelda, to Sonic, all from the same device. That's the real appeal of the G3 Pro. Compact size, huge library, modern convenience, retro nostalgia. If you're looking for an all-in-one retro gaming setup without spending thousands on original hardware and games, this mini PC definitely deserves attention. So, would you try the G3 Pro for your gaming setup? Drop your favorite retro console in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.